We're gonna try again. No, that's not mine. No, here. Coco. Coco. He's not interested. I can't make him happy. No, it's not fair. Coco is taking Milo's ball. Here, Milo. Coco, here. Coco. There's a biscuit for Milo. There's a biscuit for Milo. Good boy, Milo. No, he's too clever. What must I do? What must I do? Let's see in the box. Let's see in the box. What do you want out the box? Give it to mommy. Milo, Coco. And Milo's gonna persist until he's got what he wants. Take it off, Milo. Take it off, Edie. Okay. He's got no chance. Oh, well, that's not fair. That's not. Oh, well, I'm going to take it off from both of them. Come. Yeah, I'm going to take it off. No.
They are exceptions.
I felt like I put somebody to that they managed to help.
And now I have to entertain them because it's raining outside and they're getting very restless. If they're not entertained a little bit and play with the ball. But I can't play like this because Coco is like domineering Milo now. He's taking off everything. And that's not fun. So I'm going to stop this video. No more. Finish. Finish. Mommy's still in pajamas. Finish. Okay, guys. Okay, oh, sorry, Milo. Sorry. Sorry, my boy. But David says it's the same thing with these dogs. They've got so many toys and the one is taking always off the whatever they haven't got. Bye. Have a nice day. Yeah, shame. Poor Milo.